Welcome home! Healthy, organic, and easy by Michelle. Today we are making healthy Korean black bean noodles, Jjajangmyeon. Add 1 cup of organic non-GMO olive oil and 1 pack of Korean black bean paste, 춘장. Cook on medium heat until you see bubbles in the middle of the paste. Save the oil for later. Let's prepare the vegetables. This is organic cabbage. I'm going to use a little less than half, but you can add more if you want. Cut cabbage into 1-inch pieces. Place in water and add vinegar to clean the cabbage for 10 minutes and then let it dry. I'm going to slice 2 white parts of the big green onion. I'm going to use 3 small organic onions, but you can use 2 if you have a big green onions. I needed 2 potatoes. Let me peel up 1 organic potato, and the second potato I vacuum sealed. Let me show you how I store potatoes to use for cooking. This is an organic potato. I vacuum sealed on May 2nd. Today is May 28th. Let me show you how fresh the potato is. Wow, as you can see, it's so fresh. Please check my other video if you want to learn how to store organic vegetables last longer. Cut the 2 potatoes into 1/2-inch pieces. I'm going to use 1 pound of pork neck, but you can use any type of pork meat. Cut pork into 1/2-inch pieces. Cook pork on medium-high heat until well done. In a large pot, put big green onion. Add 1/2 cup of the oil you saved from before. Cook on medium heat until onion is well done. Add pork and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to enhance the flavor. But, oops, I forgot to put it in, so I added it later. But please, you have to add it right now. Add the potatoes and cook for 2 minutes. Add onions. Add 6 tablespoons of rice syrup. I never use sugar when I cook. Instead, I use a homemade rice syrup because it has 0 sugar. You can buy Korean rice syrup with a low sugar level at the supermarket. I have another video that shows which one has the lowest sugar level. Please check it out. Add cabbage. Cook until cabbage is well done. Add cooked black bean paste. Mix well. Add 3 cups of Korean soup broth. This is a Korean soup broth from the refrigerator. I made and use this soup broth all the time because I don't want to use any MSG and it tastes even better than restaurant broth with MSG. You can check my other video on how to make it. If you don't want to make it, you can just add regular water instead. As promised, I'm adding the soy sauce now. Be careful and don't make the same mistake as me. When it starts to boil, taste the broth and add salt if you need it. Use a quarter cup of potato starch and mix with a quarter cup of water. Add it in and make sure to keep stirring for 30 seconds to mix it in well. Now, let's cook the noodles. I'm going to use this noodle because it's the only organic one. But you can use any noodle you want. I'm going to cut cucumber for presentation. Let's set up the table. You can also eat it over rice too. Looks so good. Yummy. Let me show you how Korean people mix jjajangmyeon. Enjoy it! Today's a welcome home tip. You can store the rest of the jjajangmyeon in the refrigerator for 1 week. This is a jjajangmyeon that was in the refrigerator for 1 week. Let me show you how to heat it up so it is as good as new. Add a quarter cup of water and mix well. Close the lid and cook on medium to high heat. When it starts to boil, mix and then turn to low heat. Continue cooking with the lids on for 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of organic olive oil right before you eat. Enjoy it!